Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Sophie, and today we are going to talk about daily use English sentences that you can use every single day.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Sophie. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Nice. Are you ready for today?
Yes, very ready.
Today is a very practical topic.
Yes, very simple sentences.
Sentences you use every day.
At home, at work, at the store.
Everywhere.
Sophie, why are daily sentences important?
Because they're the most common.
Yes, you use them again and again.
If you learn them, you feel confident.
Exactly.
Today, we will teach 20 to 30 sentences.
Very simple and very useful.
Let's start.
First category, morning sentences.
Yes, what you say when you wake up.
Sentence 1. Good morning.
Simple and polite.
Sentence 2. How did you sleep?
This is a friendly question.
You can answer, I slept well, thanks.
Or, not so well, I was tired.
Sentence 3. What are you doing today?
This is a common morning question.
You can say, I'm going to work.
Or, I have a meeting.
Good. Sentence 4. I need coffee.
Very common.
Very honest.
Sentence 5. Do you want breakfast?
Polite offer.
You can say, yes, please.
Or, no thank you, I'm not hungry.
Great.
Now let's practice those 5 sentences.
Okay, repeat after me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
How did you sleep?
What are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
I need coffee.
I need coffee.
Do you want breakfast?
Do you want breakfast?
Nice. Second category, at home sentences.
Yes, daily home conversation.
Sentence 6. I'm home.
You say this when you arrive home.
Sentence 7. What's for dinner?
Very common question.
You can answer, rice and chicken.
Or, I don't know yet.
Sentence 8. Can you help me?
Polite request.
Sentence 9. I'm tired.
Very honest.
Sentence 10. Let's watch something.
This means watch TV or a movie.
Yes. Now let's practice those.
Okay.
I'm home.
I'm home.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Let's watch something.
Let's watch something.
Great. Third category, at work or school.
Yes, professional but simple.
Sentence 11. I have a question.
Very useful at work.
Sentence 12. Can you repeat that, please?
Polite way to ask again.
Sentence 13. I'm working on it.
Means you are doing the task now. Sentence 14, I'll send it to you.
Common for email or documents.
Sentence 15, see you later.
Friendly goodbye at work. Now let's practice.
Okay.
I have a question.
I have a question.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
I'll send it to you.
I'll send it to you.
See you later.
See you later.
Great. Fourth category, shopping sentences.
Yes, at the store.
Sentence 16. How much is this?
Basic question for price.
Sentence 17. Can I try it on?
For clothes or shoes.
Sentence 18. Do you have a smaller size?
Or bigger size.
Sentence 19. I'll take it.
Means you will buy it.
Sentence 20. Can I pay by card?
Very common.
Practice time.
Ready?
How much is this?
How much is this?
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
Do you have a smaller size?
Do you have a smaller size?
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Excellent. Fifth category, polite phrases.
Yes, these work everywhere.
Sentence 21. Excuse me.
Use this to get attention politely.
Sentence 22. Thank you very much.
Always polite.
Sentence 23.
You're welcome.
Response to thank you.
Sentence 24, I'm sorry.
For mistakes or apologies.
Sentence 25, no problem.
Friendly response.
Practice.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
No problem.
Great. Sixth category, time and plans.
Yes, talking about your schedule.
Sentence 26, what time is it?
Very common question.
Sentence 27, I'm free tomorrow.
Means you have no plans.
Sentence 28, I'm busy right now.
Polite way to say you cannot help.
Sentence 30, let's meet at 3.
Simple plan.
Sentence 30, see you soon.
Friendly goodbye.
Perfect. Now a small comedy moment.
Okay.
One time, I said, I'm busy right now to my friend,
Okay.
but I was just watching TV.
So you were not really busy.
I was busy watching TV.
That is a different kind of busy.
Yes, important busy.
Sleep tourism, TV tourism.
Exactly. Now a quick question for listeners.
Yes.
I say, I need coffee,
Do you like coffee?
but you were just watching TV.
Top notch.
One time, I said, I'm busy right now to my friend,
Okay.
but I was just watching TV.
So you were not really busy.
I was busy watching TV.
That is a different kind of busy.
Yes, important busy.
Sleep tourism, TV tourism.
Exactly. Now a quick question for listeners.
Yes.
I say, I need coffee.
Do you like coffee?
If you're enjoying this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it really helps.
Now a small learning section.
Yes, grammar tips.
Tip 1. Use I'm instead of I am in speaking.
I'm tired sounds more natural than I am tired.
Yes.
Tip 2. Let's is short for let us.
Let's go equals let us go.
But we always say let's.
Right.
Tip 3. Can I is for requests.
Can I try it on?
Can I pay by card?
Very useful. Pronunciation tip.
Small tip.
Excuse me sounds like excuse me.
Excuse me.
Busy is busy.
Busy.
Welcome is welcome.
Welcome.
Now, bonus category, food and drinks.
Yes, daily sentences about eating.
Bonus sentence 1, I'm hungry.
Very common.
Bonus sentence 2, I'm full.
Means you ate enough.
Bonus sentence 3, this is delicious.
Compliment for food.
Bonus sentence 4, can I have water, please?
Polite request.
Bonus sentence 5, no thank you, I'm okay.
Polite refusal.
Now let's practice.
Ready?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm full.
I'm full.
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
Can I have water, please?
Can I have water, please?
No thank you, I'm okay.
No, thank you. I'm okay.
Excellent. Now, final practice.
Yes, full review.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I need coffee.
I need coffee.
I'm home.
I'm home.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I have a question.
I have a question.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Perfect.
Great job.
Sophie, any final tip?
Yes, use these sentences every day.
Even if you're alone,
Yes, practice out loud.
say, I'm tired when you're tired.
Say, I need coffee when you need coffee.
This builds muscle memory.
Exactly.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.